Hi guys, welcome to my questions and answer video series. If you're a new gas engineer or working to become one, well, this video is for you. I will challenge and expand your current understanding of boiler repair. Also, remember to hit the bell and notification button to get the latest questions and answer videos so you don't miss out. Now let's start learning. We're looking at an Ariston Combi, 𝐸𝐔𝐄, and we've got a leak on the boiler. So this is the new one, you can see. This is the actuator. This is the cartridge. I'm going to just pull it off. So what happens, the leak out of here, that pin. So when it pushes down, the O-ring basically wears and it just starts leaking, losing system pressure. Normally these get damaged, water goes in there and knackers that, sometimes blows a fuse. Quite common on a lot of combis, the cartridge leaking going into the actuator. So that's the actuator motor, that's a cartridge. So guys, my first question, do you have to turn off the cold water inlet to change the divertor valve cartridge? The second one, what is the purpose of the divertor valve? And the third one, is the divertor valve fitted on the primary flow, primary return, or can it be fitted on either? Please post your answers below this video. And one more thing, share this video with your fellow gas engineers.